What's up? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night to some of you motherfuckers. And mainly we're talking about Vic. Yes, bitch. Good night, Vic. You are. I know y'all already seen this video probably. Took me a minute to get on here and do it because yeah, I don't even have the words for how ugh, repulsive this was. Um, it was it was nauseating. It was mm, physically sickening to my dude. Like for real. Let's just get into it. Play it. Look, I have been not ashamed to say. Well, should I? Why? What the fuck? I mean, not ashamed to say. I have been more than proud to say I'm not subscribing to no carbonation fuckery. I'm not giving them one little measly subscribe. Like that too much is for me. Like that I can't do that. I damn sure never send any money. But even giving you one little click that don't cost me nothing, I can't give it to you. Can't do it. Can't do it. Not gonna do it. I just can't. So I go through other platforms to listen to his fuckboy shit. So a lot of times, I hear, and then I listen to other people's commentary. Now, Fundi does not play his stuff. She just, come in and I was say commentates on. I really was gonna say commentates on it. I really was gonna say that shit. Ugh. Anyway, she gets on and she talks about it. Whatever fuckboy shit he got going on at the time. She gives her commentary, whatever. So the T catches his lives and they actually scream record him, all right? So that's usually, and then Melanie High Priestess, she records Witchy Princess. I listen to her. Like, it's different people I jump around to, right? But I just can't go on and support it. I can't do it. So without further ado, I pray the Lord. I'm only gonna be really playing little pieces of this little audio, and I hope the T is cool with that. I hope she cool with it. Girl, leave me alone. I ain't got but a hot 40. Leave me alone, okay? I just want to get a quick point across to get the fuck on off here. So let me go ahead and jump into this. Oh, I don't even know what the fuck you call this shit. I didn't mean to push that. Did I start? Oh, fuck. Are you kidding me? No, it's still recording. Yeah. It's still recording. Okay. Here we go. Oh, just the thought of this shit. Now look at this big goof corn.
Dino and Shells. His new name is Dino. Like dynamite.
Look at this.
Not Dino, Dino. Yeah. Where he at? Dynamite.
Nigga, they gave you.
Cause he explosive. That nigga.
They gave you Dynamite, Vic. Vic so happy to get that motherfucking retarded ass name, nigga. Dynamite, Vic. Just as slow as JJ goddamn Walker. Looking like a JJ too. Low key, I think that's what. Low key, I think that's what Elagio.
That's rude as hell.
Dude, Elagio, whatever the freak his name is. I think that's what he was trying to call you. I swear it was you. I swear it was he was calling. Because he said the other girl was Shells. And then he said, yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what he said about the Dynamite. Fucking JJ Walker. But watch this. Watch JJ get on. Watch JJ get on.
I like Dino.
Come on, let's get it. Let's get it.
Now you can use that dynamite.
Goofy ass face. Get your goofy ass face on here. Let me go ahead and fast forward a little bit. I ain't got time for the bull.
What's going on with you, man?
Let's just back
Girl,
up a bit.
What up, dog?
Look at that. What up,
dog?
What up, dog? What's happening? Yeah, man. What's going on with you, man? You see, you got I see 1 minute you live, next minute people, running up on you at hospitals and shit. All types of stuff.
We wasn't even at the hospital.
I thought that they
talking so much he can't.
Well, yeah, you was getting the baby checked out.
Yeah, we was at the doctor's office.
Right, I mean, did he ask for? I mean, did he at least get an autograph or something? If I would, I thought he was gonna ask for your autograph. I mean, I'm just saying the way he stood there, smiled at you.
Nigga, you over there sounding like Baby Eliana. He couldn't even get that shit out, old stuttering ass. Did he ask for an autograph? Nigga, you just as... First of all, not for one motherfucking second do I believe her dad is fucking mesmerized by NatureBoy as you are, nigga. Let's just be real. Let's just be motherfucking real. Get your life, dude. Ugh.
They called him, he stood in front of, hey, it's NatureBoy. How you doing? Oh, I don't want no trouble.
Corny.
I don't want no trouble.
You corny as you are.
Oh, you said what I said online? Oh, I just did that for the gram. I just want, hey, brother.
You just did that for the gram. You just think you really get, you gotta laugh out of them. You gotta laugh out of them. And nigga, boy, that was like motherfucking gas to a car on goddamn empty. Your ass pushed the pedal. You just, literally, you go on with this. Ain't it an epilogue, what you call? Yeah, it's epilogue, right? When it's a little mini series. You went on with this epilogue, and I hope that's right. And forgive me if it ain't. Y'all know what the fuck I'm talking about. You go on with this epilogue of pretending to be her dad, but in an old condescending, retard ass kind of way. For like, nigga, like it seemed forever. I think it was like 4 or 5 goddamn minutes. You went on and on and on. And no matter what, she's a lame ass bitch with no principles. Because she over there laughing at you, talking about her motherfucking dad. Like, nigga, bitch, but her loyalty is with that one beside her. Goddamn, what's his Jones? Mr. Jones right here. Jim Jones right here. She, of course, so she has to laugh, when he laughs, and yeah, whatever. Let's hear the Roach keep talking. Continue, Roach.
Brother, hey, look, I just want to see Eliana.
That's what it was like.
All right. Oh, okay.
Oh, look at that smile. Yeah. Oh,
now
that's what it is.
Out,
oh, they agreeing. Oh, he keeps going on and on with your 4,700.3 teeth in your goddamn mouth while we talking, alligator.
I want to talk to you right quick.
Alligator breath.
Come on over here. I got something I want to say to you right quick. I want you to unblock me.
And then you keep going, and you're going, and you're going. Like, I can't even keep... I gotta fast forward a little bit. The dick sucking that's going on right about now. And then what's crazy about it is, nigga, that like they talking pure D-cash shit for your ass in the comments. They called you the motherfucking, I think they were ants, but I'm gonna say roaches, because you're a roach, nigga. You need to be sprayed. You're a motherfucking roach. But I think they said the ants that were in the fucking break room on Men in Black. Ha! Catch that shit. While you sit here playing dumb as fuck, or while you're kissing his balls. While you're kissing his balls, literally, they are talking pure cash shit about you in the motherfucking comments. But that one there, that one about you being them motherfucking insects in the break room. In the motherfucking break room smoking cigarette. Oh, God. That one, I swear. Let me get myself together. That comment. Oh, God, get it together, girl. That comment right there. Beat them all. That whole goddamn phone should have blew the fuck up right there. Because You don't look like it. Goddamn. I can't even finish this video. I'm gonna have to stop. If I can't get over and stop and come back later. Yeah. You know what? I'm done. It's like I'm done. Foodie, I'm just saying, baby, you too smart and intelligent to even be associated with Vic. He is not put on Next Squad. He supposedly started out that way, but this nigga got he got converted. He got converted somewhere along the line. So you can't count on him. He's not put on Next Squad at all. I promise you he's not. He is actually Vic by nature. Damn Dynamite. They gave him Dynamite by nature. JJ Walk. See, I can't even. I quit. I can't finish the video. Vic, you a bitch. So nigga, you. I'm done, Vic. I can't even finish with you. You a whole goddamn joke.